What's up, everybody? Almost 7 o'clock. Yeah, starting early. Let's go. So came here to drop off a van called Barbecue Beef, and you're gonna have to fix up something. But yeah, it's over here on Democrats. Shoo! Just bumped into one of my homies. Freaking guy. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jaws. Yes, sir.
Make sure you come to a complete stop and let the van roll back first, and then you can proceed. If you're going to the apartment complex, you want to go ahead, that's those are the two things I wanted to go over. And whenever we ask the driver what happened, when you can't deliver a package, anytime it's back saying, hey, I can't deliver.
What's up, everybody? Day 61. I got Kenny training today, the new driver. Yes, sir. Welcome to the Baba team. Yeah. Shoot, we did our first stop. Got Kenny in the house. How you feeling?
Very good.
Raja. Okay, let's continue. Stay at Kaumanu area, and it is beautiful. All right, so far so good. I'm loving it. Speed is improving by the minute. Love it. Let's go. Bro, these views, that's why I love my job. And I also love the fact of delivering to customers and look at their smiles. Woo, loving it. Let's go. Let's go, Kenny. One of my favorite snacks. Another butter. It's so good. Ladies and gentlemen, meet my new friend Sven. Sven, how you feeling today, buddy? Whew. It's the season of giving. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this view though. Whew. Up in our air. I guess. Bruh. Yes, let's go, Kenny. Good job. I can't get enough of these views. They are so beautiful. Man, I mean, bruh, this is why I love my job. I love it. Move. Yeah, you. Let's go, Kenny. Doing the thing. Let's go. Good job. Yeah, just want to volunteer to walk up this long driveway for my man Kenny. Let him rest a little bit. Yeah, boy. Good job. Circle of life. All right. We here is day 61 with Kenny. Kenny, how you doing, bro?
Very good.
How far along are we?
Oh, about 80% of the way there.
Smashing. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're on break. Got Kenny in the back there, enjoying the view. Always remember to take your break. You know, bathroom break, lunch break, meal break, whatever. Just make sure you're good. Oh, this is beautiful. Bro, I wasn't gonna take one last video, but I couldn't help it. This is amazing. This view is beautiful. Gotta take a photo of it. Okay, I see you guys. What's up? Yeah, you. Let's go. So me and Kenny done RTS. We returned whatever that was not in our itinerary, and we're gonna go now do our DVIC. It's good. All right, Kenny, how was it for you today?
Awesome, bro. Number one trainer right there.
Yeah. Thank you. All right, heading home. About to finish this day. It was a good run. Kenny, congratulations. Welcome to Baba. Alyssa, welcome to Baba. Good job out there, everybody. Zoo.
Who wants a burger? Oh, not you, bro. You don't get bread.
Thank you, Dutch.
Appreciate you.
Hey, want to say something to the people?
Appreciate you every day, brothers.
Oh.
Appreciate you every day.
Thank you.
Yeah, even you, bro. Aloha.
Hello. So I'm gonna end the night with this. Thank you, Amazon, for these burgers. Really appreciate it. Gonna be my dinner for tonight. Oh, shout out to Dutch and the other guy. Sorry, I don't know your name. But thank you for cooking the burgers for everybody, especially auto drivers, man. We appreciate you guys.